Welcome back to the InScentive collection. I'm Brandon. Welcome. Now, today we have Sultan Vetiver. All right, Sultan Vetiver. Sultan Vetiver. The first thing we got to do though is unsheath this thing. Things got a little X-rated here. Okay, so really ambery color here, which is kind of what you want to see from a vetiver, right? The best vetivers got that golden appeal, right? So let's go ahead and get it into the spirit. Eventually, there it is. Ah, yes. Okay. You got aromatic, woodsy, earth, citrus, fresh spice, anise, leather, amber, soft spice, and green. Those are the main accords. I sprayed this way too high. I got smelling one. There it is. Now this is definitely a vetiver, but it's got a, you know, a lot of vetiver fragrance usually they're kind of straightforward. This one, it goes about it in a weird way, not in a bad way. It's just, I want to say it's the leather note that's in there. Maybe that one's kind of got me. That green aspect is starting to come through. Let's get into the notes, guys, because this is unlike any vetiver I've ever smelled. I almost don't even smell the vetiver. Or maybe it's like an interesting, because it's got like a lime, some type of lime aspect to it. God, it's real piney. Real pine, like what am I doing with this hand? Okay. So, we got Java vetiver oil. Maybe that's what's going on here. We got anise, bergamot. That's the pine. That's the pine. And then pepper. That pepper makes a lot of sense here. And then in the middle notes, you got Bourbon vetiver, Haitian vetiver, Neroli, and Tonka bean. Boy, there's a lot going on here. And then in the base notes, you got vetiver, leather, and amber. And let me tell you, man, this is one of the most unique vetiver fragrances I've ever smelled. I like it. I wish I was a little bit more descriptive as far as what was going on here. It's that nuanced, guys. Man, I like this. It's a real, this is probably the most earthy, dry vetiver I've ever smelled. Earthy and dry. You know, a lot of vetivers I've had are kind of like moist. It's not necessarily inky, but I would say more moist. This is kind of like it reminds me of like tobacco in a way. I like it. I like it a lot. It's not really changing. It's not really, it's pretty much what it is. I like it a lot. I think this is a solid buy. I think I would buy this. Oh man, I like it a lot. So anyway, have you tried the Sultan Vetiver? Let me know. Get in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.